Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can give permissions to your music apps by Google Assistant to give access when you just say hey Google, open music app. So what apps it opens, how you can give access in Motorola smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to long press your assistant, click on settings. Here it is music, click on music and you can see there are lots of apps. You have to just enable it like this. You can see you have to link your music services like Spotify, Apple Music, Ghana, JioSaavn, Hangama Music and Wink Music. You can select it and link also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.